Hello, Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great Ask a Ninja question today from David Brown in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And he has hired Crawl Space Ninja to encapsulate his crawl space. As a matter of fact, he's getting what we call a gold package, which is a really great way to protect the crawl space for years to come. It's what we call one of our worry-free crawl space packages. But he's got a great question about what to do about the ductwork down there. So stay tuned. Well, David, we really appreciate you hiring Crawl Space Ninja to take care of your crawl space. And if you all need an estimate from Crawl Space Ninja, I'm going to put a link down below. But also, if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to basements, attics, crawl spaces, and ductwork. So I hope you'll subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. Okay, so David, what we're going to talk about today, I'm going to read your question. Just got a quote from my crawl space, from Crawl Space Ninja. Going to go with the gold package. Ductwork, fiberglass insulation falling apart. I'm going to remove it. Should I reinstall insulation with reflective bubble or nothing, as the crawl space will be insulated with the gold package? Now that is a great question. And let me just give you a little bit of information. First of all, about the types of ductwork insulation that's out there. You're mentioning the bubble wrap ductwork insulation that seems to be really, really popular today among the HVAC industry. We like it. We've installed it. We've actually got some pictures of it online. Some people think it's not as effective as a fiberglass insulation. So whether you're choosing the bubble wrap ductwork insulation or the fiberglass insulation, I feel like you should re-insulate the crawl space, simply because right now it's 32 degrees outside. It was 32 degrees when we got up this morning here in Knoxville, Tennessee. And even though your crawl space is a gold, it's conditioned with a dehumidifier, it doesn't really have a heat source. Okay, so it may not get as warm in the crawl space as your home would be in the wintertime. So if you turn on the heat in your house, just keep in mind, if the crawl space is cold, now normally the crawl spaces won't get below 60 degrees after we do an encapsulation, but still, if your air duct is blowing out 75-degree air and your crawl space is 60 degrees and you have no insulation, no thermal break between that ductwork and the crawl space, that 60-degree crawl space is going to rob that warm air in the winter. And in the summer, you'll probably notice it even more. You've got 40-degree air blowing through the ductwork and your crawl space is 60 degrees. That 60-degree crawl space is going to rob the air from that and could maybe even potentially cause a condensation problem if the dew point isn't low enough. I don't think it would, but there's still a possibility if you have some pretty extreme temperatures between the crawl space and the ductwork. So I'm going to say yes. Go ahead and insulate that ductwork and make sure, whether you're using fiberglass or a bubble wrap, I would go ahead and insulate that. And I got a question for you all out there. Why would you invest in crawl space encapsulation? We got a lot of DIYers doing it. We got a lot of people hiring us, and even our competition out there in crawl space ninja land, getting their crawl space encapsulated. So if you'll put down below in our comments, what made you decide, hey, I'm going to spend money, or I'm going to spend time and money encapsulating my crawl space? We'd really love to hear from you. And if some of you HVAC contractors out there want to comment on this question about should they insulate the ductwork or not, we'd sure love to hear from you too. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and I hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.